Good morning, 8th class. See, the poem is on your screen, and the name of the poem is If. So, today we are going to discuss the poem If. So, first of all, let me tell you the summary of the poem. After that, we shall read the poem. We shall discuss the rhyme scheme also and the other main things in the poem. So, first of all, I want to tell that who is the poet. So, the poet of the poem is Rudyard Kipling. So, Rudyard Kipling was an English author and poet who was born in Mumbai, then Bombay, India. His children's books are enduring classics. In 1907, when he was only 42, he was awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature, making him the first English language writer to receive the prize. So, the poem If has been written by Rudyard Kipling, and Rudyard Kipling has written this beautiful poem for his son. He reveals the timeless values and character that a person should possess and how he should go about in the world to be called a real man. So let us give a reading to the poem, then we shall discuss the summary also. If you can keep your head when you all about you are losing theirs and blaming it on you, if you can trust yourself when all men doubt you, but make allowance for their doubting too, if you can wait and not be tired by waiting, or being lied about, don't deal in lies, or being hated, don't give way to hating, and yet don't look too good, nor talk too wise. If you can dream and not make dreams your master, if you can think and not make thoughts your aim, if you can meet with shrimp and disaster and treat those two impostors just the same, if you can bear to hear the truth you have spoken, twisted by knaves to make a trap for fools, or watch the things you gave your life to broken, and stoop and build them up with worn out tools. If you can make one heap of all your winnings and risk it on one turn of pitch and toss, and lose and start again at your beginnings, and never breathe a word about your loss. If you can force your heart and nerve in sinew to serve your turn long after they are gone, and so hold on when there is nothing in you except the will which says to them, hold on. If you can talk with your crowd and keep your virtue, or walk with kings, not lose the common touch, if neither foes nor loving friends can hurt you, if all men count with you, but none too much, if you can fill the forgiving minute with 60 seconds worth of distance run, yours is the earth and everything that's in it, and which is more, you will be a man, my son, my son. So first of all, let us see what is the rhyme scheme. If you can keep your head with all about you, are losing theirs and blaming it on you. If you can trust yourself when you all men doubt you, but make allowance for their doubting too. So the same word is coming, you too. So here the rhyme scheme is A, because all the four words are giving the same sound. A. So the rhyme scheme is A. So let us see what is there in the poem first. So this beautiful poem has been written by the poet for his son. He reveals the timeless values and character that a person should possess and how he should go about in the world to be called a real man. He starts by saying that if you keep you cool and patience even when others lose their temper and blame you, if you can have faith in yourself even when others doubt you, and yet you be generous and tolerant of these people, if you can wait for opportunities or have patience in life and not give up, or when people all around indulge in lies, but you do not lie, or people hate you when you do not hate people in return, but try not to show their superiority or wisdom before others by words or actions. If you can dream and act upon those dreams and think positive thoughts and act upon them, if you can meet with success and failure in a level-headed way and treat them alike, then God has created this earth especially for you, and you deserve everything that this earth has to do, offer, and you will be a man in the true sense of the word. You would have imbibed all the good qualities of a true man. So, this is the main idea of the poem, that when somebody is not trusting you, when they are showing in distrust in you, even then you have to be very much confident. So this poem is an inspirational poem. Inspiration is there, motivation is there, that you should be very much positive to the life. There may be many failures, there may be many disappointments, many things are there, but you will not afraid of them. You should be brave, bold, and you should have faith in yourself. When you have faith in yourself, then you can do anything in life. So you should be very much positive. You should not feel disappointed. You should not afraid of failures, and then you can do better in life. So it's all for today. Tomorrow we shall discuss the more. Bye students.